Did a software update break the OpenGL Utility Toolkit DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get Mark Kilgard running again. Access the official OpenGL Utility Toolkit diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the OpenGL Utility Toolkit. It provides a simplified interface for creating windows and managing input in OpenGL-based applications. It is a staple for academic software and older 3D games. Without this file, the application cannot open its rendering window, leading to Glut library not found or no display mode errors. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as OpenGL Utility Toolkit DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the OpenGL Utility Toolkit file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Since the reboot didn't fix the graphics glitch, we need to perform a clean handshake between your driver and the OS, so you should use Display Driver Uninstaller to purge your current GPU software. After the cleanup is finished, download the newest drivers from NVIDIA or AMD to ensure that your DLL file is properly integrated into the graphics stack. Why are we doing this? Well, standard updates often fail to clear deep-level registry conflicts, and this deep clean removes those barriers to allow for a successful file sync. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of OpenGL Utility Toolkit DLL, unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for OpenGL Utility Toolkit. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got OpenGL Utility Toolkit working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.